not getting it. You better watch your step. See cautiously from this point forward.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On January 22nd of 2022, Jeff Gray visited the Alpharetta, Georgia City Hall, where he stood on a public sidewalk, holding a sign that reads, "God bless the homeless vets." Shortly after his arrival, the mayor walks by.
God bless the homeless veterans. God bless the homeless vets.
Many states have recently ruled that statutes that forbid panhandling are unconstitutional on their face, as they are clear violations of one's First Amendment rights. But Jeff was never panhandling. He was simply uttering the phrase, "God bless the homeless vets."
God bless the homeless vets.
However, City Councilman Dan Merkel and an unidentified woman allegedly lied to the officer working the desk in City Hall, claiming Jeff was panhandling. And just moments after his arrival, Lieutenant Furr of the Alpharetta Police Department exits City Hall to confront Jeff.
Excuse me?
You need to leave. Okay? There's no bail in there. I just told you you need to leave. What's your name? Right.
Is it in prison?
Yes.
God bless the homeless veterans. Okay. You want to go to jail? You want to be sued?
I don't care about you.
Okay, here we go. Take this time. Give it to you.
In typical Jeff Gray fashion, he produces his I and his D.
Let's see. Here's my I. Here's my D.
That's funny.
There's my D. You're not getting ID. You're not getting. I got my ID right here. This is my driver's license. This is my driver's license. You're not getting to get reasonable articulate suspicion of crimes. You better watch your step. See cautiously from this point forward.
There's no panhandling.
I don't give a damn about panhandling. You're not getting mine. What is your reasonable articulate suspicion of crimes?
Panhandling. What do you mean by that? Can I deal with you? Come on.
What evidence do you have that I'm panhandling, stupid?
2 witnesses that you've asked for money.
I hadn't asked nobody for money, stupid.
Deal with this. Good.
God bless freedom of speech. God bless freedom of religion on public property. Can you use 2 handcuffs? I'm just my shoulders.
I don't have a second set right here, right now. I will get you a set in just a minute.
I'm not panhandling. I'm just saying God bless the homeless veterans on public property.
All right, we've had 2 people.
God bless the homeless. Did you see me to ask for money? Did you hear me ask for money?
Have a seat, sir.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Grab my camera. That's where.
Yep. Have a seat.
Lieutenant Furr faces the camera away from the interaction.
All right. You got any probation or
I don't
parole?
consent to any searches. Can you go pick up my sign, please?
Just give me 1 second, Mr. Jeffrey.
Can you turn the camera so it's filming what's going on, please? You guys jump to these conclusions that I'm panhandling. This is the stupidest thing. And you're a lieutenant? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
I go through that.
No investigation, just straight the hands on. Are you serious? God bless the homeless veteran, sir. God bless freedom of speech. God bless freedom of religion. God bless freedom of assembly on public property.
Can you run a Florida DL for me, please?
Lieutenant Furr now runs Jeff's ID and then turns off his camera.
Don't turn my camera off. Why are you turning my camera off?
Because your battery here.
You just terminated my recording.
Fortunately, Jeff always has multiple devices recording. In this case, his Apple Watch continued to document the audio.
I never asked money. I'm standing on the public sidewalk.
What is your goal? What's your goal?
My goal is to come out in the public places and raise awareness of the homeless veterans.
Okay, you're not offering anything they can do. Why don't you have a flyer that says help me at the homeless shelter?
Jeff eventually filed a complaint against Lieutenant Furr, and during the internal investigation, they found that they were able to corroborate that 2 people did speak to the lieutenant, and that they felt, quote, uncomfortable with the panhandling that never happened. But making someone feel uncomfortable does not meet the standards for reasonable suspicion or probable cause. As such, the investigators found that Lieutenant Furr had no legal basis to conduct a Tier 2 detainment of Mr. Gray, that the encounter should have been consensual, and that Lieutenant Furr should have taken time to develop more information. They found that Lieutenant Lieutenant Furr was impatient, without resolve, and did not follow proper investigative steps to corroborate information, thereby exacerbating the situation in which there was no immediate danger. The document continues to explain that the lieutenant violated Jeff's Fourth Amendment rights and department policy by reaching into his pockets to retrieve his ID. They further found that there was no justification for turning off the camera or turning it away from Jeff, and the lieutenant's excuse was that he was frustrated by Mr. Gray and his actions. Those actions include filming and saying God bless the homeless vets.
God bless the homeless vets.
But to be fair to the lieutenant, those actions would indeed infuriate any tyrant, and I, for one, am surprised that Jeff was able to walk away from this encounter. Towards the end of the incident, Lieutenant Furr told Jeff to leave the downtown area altogether.
So am I free to go?
You are free to go, yes, sir.
Can I continue what I was doing?
Yes, sir. You need to leave. Okay?
I'm leaving.
Asking for money, telling people that's can't do that too. I'm afraid.
I don't want to go to jail, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good one.
Do you live in the downtown area, period?
And again, the investigation found that there was no legal justification to have Jeff depart the city, let alone the public sidewalk. And in the end, the investigator weighed in that the lieutenant had over 17 years of experience as a law enforcement officer, and considering all facts and circumstances, suspended the lieutenant for just 3 days without pay, despite the fact that the multiple violations of Jeff's civil rights are of the most basic that officers allegedly swear to protect. Jeff will be filing a lawsuit soon, and it is likely that the officer will not be granted qualified immunity. To get more information on the future lawsuit and to check out some of Jeff's other content, be sure to head over to his channel. His links will be in the description and pinned comment. Be sure to let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.